This is not straight at all. Boom, boom, that's a little straighter. Anyway, hey, it's WLTW, what I learned this week, what you learned this week, what we all collectively learned this week. This is the time. You know, the weekend's about to start. It's the holiday season. It's going 0 to 60 from now until like January 4th or 5th. So it's very, very easy to just go into that hamster wheel, and that hamster wheel is turning fast right now. And this time, Friday afternoon, 2 o'clock Eastern, is when you can take a moment and just think about something you've learned this past week so that you can grow from it. You can take some kind of action. You can see how that's working with the goals that you have, right? This is the time that we do that. So I am Annie Schiffman. I'm the founder of Downstage Media. If you don't know what Downstage Media does, we help theater people who are overwhelmed with social media by giving them a plan of what to post, so that way they can connect with their audiences. I mean, they already do it on stage, but this way they can do it online. So a lot of what I'll be talking about most of the time is social media, digital marketing, and how that kind of intersects with theater. However, if you're watching this either now or on IGTV later on or something like that, then please share whatever it is that you learn, because I want this to be a helpful learning tool for you. And then also the great thing is then we get to each learn from one another. So today it's going to be about YouTube. I hosted a Facebook Live on Wednesday night on Downstage Media's Facebook page with Scott Stemmerman. Scott Stemmerman has helped us with clients in the past with their YouTube channel when they want to get higher rankings in Google. So it is jam-packed with so much information. I highly recommend you watch this 20-minute video. So go to downstage.media on Facebook and you'll find it. But I'm going to give you 3 things that I learned just hosting it. I mean, one of the reasons that Downstage Media was working with Scott is because, you know, you have to figure out what things that you know. And I knew that I didn't know it as well as Scott possibly could. And whoo boy, was I right. So we're going to talk, this is the WLTW What I Learned This Week YouTube edition. So here we go. Okay, so I feel like when people are talking about YouTube, there are 3 things that they really want. They want more views, they want more subscribers, and they want to come up in more searches, whether it's in a YouTube search or a Google search, right? So here's how Scott shared with us from what he knows from his years and years of experience in this realm of what you can do to improve your YouTube channel. So if you want to get more views, again, there's way more to this, but I'm giving you just the 3 things that I learned. If you want to get more views on a YouTube video, create a custom thumbnail. So, you know, like you can put together your own image and you can have that be the thing that, so that's the thing that shows up when people click on it, right? Whatever that is. So start looking at some, there's a bunch of different ways that you can Google that, like how to make a good custom thumbnail. But if you want to get more views, use a custom thumbnail, because that will entice more people to click on the video than if you don't. Okay, number 2, if you want to get more subscribers, to your YouTube channel, then incorporate an end screen. So that way, after your video ends, there's a little something that says, hey, if you want to find out more about this topic that I put up here on my YouTube channel, subscribe to our channel right here, and then bleep, 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 bleep. There's a little thing where people can subscribe right there. So those end screens are going to help you get more subscribers. So if you want more views, create a custom thumbnail. If you want more subscribers, create an end screen. And if you want to come up more in people's searches, then improve your tags, your descriptions, and your titles. Okay, so the title of the video on YouTube, the description that you put in there, and then the tags. All of those things are going to help you when you use them strategically. And if you want to know how to do these things, go to facebook.com/downstage.media and you'll be able to watch the whole video about how to do that stuff, what little things to put in. But whew, Those are some simple things. I feel like I want to take a day and just hole myself up at my desk and just do all these changes for all the videos on Downstage Media's YouTube channel, because they're so simple. There's such great tips. So I would like to know, what did you learn this week? Leave a comment below, or put a post up and use the hashtag WLTW so we can find it and we can learn from you and we can share it with other people. Thank you so much. I will see you next week, 2 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, WLTW. If you need any of the notes from this show, you could go to downstage.media, www.downstage.media/blog, and you will see the notes from today's WLTW. And all the other WLTWs are all up there, all the notes and the videos themselves. And in the meantime, I will see you next week, 2 p.m. Eastern Time, WLTW. Can't wait to hear what you learned. Thanks a lot.